Lose 10 pounds in 3 days, military diet, does it work? The military diet is currently one of the world's most popular diets. It is claimed to help you lose weight quickly, up to 10 pounds, 4.5 kilograms, in a single week. The military diet is also free. There is no book, expensive food, or supplement you need to buy. But does this diet actually work, and is it something you should try? This article explains everything you need to know about the military diet. What is the military diet? The military diet, also called the 3-day diet, is a weight loss diet that can help you lose up to 10 pounds in a week. The military diet plan involves a 3-day meal plan followed by 4 days off, and the weekly cycle is repeated again and again until you reach your goal weight. Proponents of the diet claim that it was designed by nutritionists in the US military in order to get soldiers into top shape quickly. However, the truth is that the diet isn't affiliated with any military or governmental institution. The military diet goes by several other names as well, including the Navy diet, the Army diet, and even the ice cream diet. Day 1. This is the meal plan for day 1. It amounts to around 1,400 calories. Breakfast. A slice of toast with 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Half a grapefruit. A cup of coffee or tea, optional. Lunch. A slice of toast. Half a cup of tuna. A cup of coffee or tea, optional. Dinner. A 3 ounces, 85 grams, serving of meat with a cup of green beans. A small apple. Half a banana. 1 cup vanilla ice cream. Day 2. These are the meals for day 2, amounting to around 1,200 calories. Breakfast. A slice of toast. 1 hard-boiled egg. Half a banana. A cup of coffee or tea, optional. Lunch. 1 hard-boiled egg. A cup of cottage cheese. 5 saltine crackers. A cup of coffee or tea, optional. Dinner. 2 hot dogs, with no bun. Half a cup of carrots and half a cup of broccoli. Half a banana. Half a cup of vanilla ice cream. Day 3. Here is the plan for day 3, which amounts to around 1,100 calories. Breakfast. A 1-ounce slice of cheddar cheese. 5 saltine crackers. A small apple. A cup of coffee or tea, optional. Lunch. A slice of toast. 1 egg, cooked however you like. A cup of coffee or tea, optional. Dinner. A cup of tuna. Half a banana. 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. Feel free to drink as much coffee or tea as you want, as long as you don't add any calories from sugar or cream. Drink plenty of water too. How does the military diet work? The 3-day military diet is actually split into 2 phases over a 7-day period. For the first 3 days, you must follow a set low-calorie meal plan for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There are no snacks between meals. Total calorie intake during this phase is roughly 1,100 to 1,400 calories per day. This is much lower than the average adult's intake, but you can check your own calorie requirements using this calculator. Proponents of the diet claim that you can repeat the diet several times until you reach your goal weight. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.